Hey there, I'm Glenn, and I'm not a very good guitar picker, but I've been thinking lately about the song The Thunder Rolls by Garth Brooks, and I remember playing this a long time when I was in my teens and was even less of a good guitar picker, and couldn't pick it worth a flip, and so I endeavored to try to learn the intro a little better than I have in the past. And so I couldn't really find anything on YouTube that gave me the sound I wanted. There are some good beginner videos about strumming, the intro. But I wanted to get the timing and the beat of the picking. And so I think that this one is closer to the original than any of the others on YouTube. See what you think. So the song is in D minor. I don't think this is necessarily the way that the studio musician did it on the recording. Matter of fact, I know for a fact it's not, but I think it's a little bit closer to anything that I found on YouTube so far. It's easier for me to capo on the 5th fret. You can play an A minor position, and that still is D minor. And you're using that pointer finger on that B string on the 1st fret. And if you hammer it, but I've listened to that song, the original recording by Garth, over and over this morning to try to at least get the timing down, and it sounds something like this, and I'm probably going to mess up a few times. And I did mess up there at the end, but that so far is the closest thing that I can find to how it was done. I wonder if he was using 2 guitars on that. It sounds like there's more than one guitar playing at a few notes. It may be a 12-string guitar, I'm not sure. But again, I'm going to start with the bass note of that, which is the D, or in our position it will be an A position because it's capoed 5, open A string. And that's my first note. And this is kind of slowing it down a little bit. I'm going to move up here to the camera to where maybe you can see a little bit better my pick here and what strings I hit. And then another neat little thing, and I'll butcher it right after the note is hit, but when he goes into the first verse, or into the verse, there's a high note that gets popped right before the key change, and that's just an open E string. And so I think it'll go something like this. 3:30 in the morning, not a soul inside. And that's going to be an F position. So you're going from the A minor to the F position, but you're just popping that last open E string before you do it. So 3:30 in the morning, not a soul inside. And then there's a little hammer right there too. See, I'm not a great guitar player. Anyway, what it is, it's the F chord, and of course you're holding both of the B and the E string down with the pointer finger, and you're hammering with your pinky on that B string. And if you listen to that recording, so it's, and I'm not going to do the picking here, but just to show you the notes. 3:30 in the morning, not a soul inside. So anyway, maybe that helps you with the beginning of the Thunder Rolls. Like I said, I couldn't find anywhere else online on YouTube that did it quite that way. Okay, thanks.